everyone, here I am again with this serum. I thought that I was done talking about it. I already made a couple of videos about how it works for me. I have been using it for the last year and a half, but something happened recently and I wanted to share it with you. This is by far the best hair loss product that I have ever used. It has worked wonders for me, but I stopped using it for about 3 weeks. I didn't do that on purpose. I moved to a different place. I just finished one bottle, and here in Croatia there aren't a lot of places where you can find this brand. So I kind of neglected it. I came here, I didn't really think about it. I was very busy seeing my family, my friends, my nephews. A week has gone by, 2 weeks have gone by, and I noticed that my hair was falling out just a little bit more each time that I would wash my hair. And I thought to myself, okay, I could have ordered it online, but I was lazy to do that. I thought I'd just get it passing by some hair salon or something like that. So every time that I would wash my hair, I saw more and more hair falling out. And approximately 3 weeks later, there was just so much hair after I took a shower. I was shocked. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to cry. I was so stupid. Why did I stop using this product? I was in shock. I was in shock because I haven't seen that much hair fall out since I started using this product. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't look away from that fist of hair. I didn't even want to take a picture. I didn't want to have that picture on my phone. It was just horrible. And that day, that moment, I googled where can I find Kerastase near me, and I went and I bought this again. And I felt so bad and so sad because I just lost so much hair. After so much effort of buying this and using this constantly for a year and a half. The good news is after I've started using this serum again, my hair just returned. Like before, it doesn't fall out anymore, just a little bit. And then I did take a photo of that because I was so happy. It works again. But I'm stuck now. I don't know. What about if they stop making this serum? This serum is pretty expensive, and even though I use it every time I wash my hair, I still have to get a new bottle every month, month and a half. So considering all of that, I am a bit worried. Also, I don't know. I really don't remember if the amount of the hair that fell off is the same as before I started using this serum. I'm not sure. I don't think so. This was just an exaggeration of the amount of the hair. So that is something that you should also bear in mind if you do start using this serum and if it's going to work for you. I know that for some people it works, for some it doesn't. If you stop using it, I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments if you have used it, if it has worked for you, and if you stopped using it, what happened? Did the same happen to you? But I know that from now on, I will definitely have 2 bottles at least in my storage ready for when I'm done with 1 bottle. I've always had a lot of new hair, so I don't have a problem with the hair growth. The problem was that it falls out a lot. This is my hair now. I did lose a lot of hair in these 3 weeks. Even my friend, she notices everything. She saw me when I was using the serum, and then she saw me 3 weeks later and she was like, what's different with your hair? It doesn't look that good as the last time that I saw you. Because my hair was really, really beautiful, especially freshly washed, freshly dried. It just looks so healthy and full. Of course, it didn't look like somebody who has a lot of hair, but it looked nice. So this absolutely has affected me, not that much, but it has. My problem is that it just can't grow and look full and healthy. So that is my goal with this serum. So I will continue to use it and make it a bigger priority this time. Let me know down below in the comments what is your experience with the serum, or if you have any other comments or questions. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.